Before he became a legend, he was a boy who failed. Before he won 6 championships, he faced countless defeats. This is the story of how Michael Jordan turned failure into greatness. Michael Jordan is widely known as the greatest basketball player in history. But before greatness, he faced countless failures and heartbreaks. As a young boy, Michael loved playing basketball more than anything else. He dreamed of flying across courts and winning championships. When he tried out for his high school varsity team, he was full of hope. But to his shock, he didn't make the team. The coaches believed he was too short and not good enough. Their decision crushed his heart and shook his confidence. Michael locked himself in his room and cried for hours. But instead of giving up, he made a life-changing decision. He chose to turn his failure into fuel for greatness. He promised himself he would never be outworked again. Every morning before school, he would practice alone. Every night, while others slept, he perfected his shots. His friends were going to parties, enjoying life. Michael stayed behind, training harder than anyone else. He worked on his dribbling, his jumping, his shooting, everything. Each drop of sweat was an investment into his dream. The next year, he made the varsity team easily. But he didn't stop working hard just because he succeeded. He believed success was rented, and rent was due every day. There were no shortcuts for him, only hard work. Michael earned a scholarship to the University of North Carolina. There, he became a college basketball sensation. In 1982, he made the game-winning shot in the NCAA championship. That moment announced him to the world. But entering the NBA was a whole new challenge. The competition was fierce, and the expectations were higher. He missed countless shots and lost heartbreaking games. Fans and critics doubted whether he could win championships. Still, Michael refused to blame others or make excuses. He always took responsibility and kept pushing forward. He famously said, "I have failed over and over again. And that is why I succeed." Failure didn't scare him, it motivated him. Every mistake was a stepping stone toward success. In 1991, after years of struggle, Michael won his first NBA championship. He cried tears of joy, remembering the pain he had overcome.
He didn't stop after winning once, he won 3 championships in a row. Then, after a brief retirement, he came back even stronger. He won another three-peat, achieving 6 NBA championships in total. Michael Jordan had built an empire on the foundation of failure. He became an inspiration not only in sports but in life. His story showed that greatness is not a straight path. It's a journey filled with losses, mistakes, and relentless effort. Champions aren't born, they are built through struggle. Michael's life teaches us that failure is not the end. It's simply the beginning of a greater journey. When the world doubts you, it's your work ethic that answers them. When you fall, it's your attitude that lifts you back up. Michael showed that even the greatest winners are also the greatest learners. Success is the reward of persistence, not luck. He didn't just play the game, he changed it forever. And he did it by embracing every failure along the way. Today, his legacy is a testament to resilience and belief. A reminder that with heart, failure becomes fuel for greatness. Michael Jordan's story isn't just about basketball. It's about what happens when you refuse to give up on yourself.